Alright everyone, so we're going to be taping this car, not to the ceiling fan, but to the ceiling fan in my room. Actually, we'll tape it to this ceiling fan, because why not? Alright. Do we just rip it? I guess we just do. Alright. Gonna make a surrounding on it. Get a little entry like this. Get some more tape. Maybe like this much. And then I think you can just put it in here. Wrap it around so it gets extra support on this little piece right here. Could have done it all at once. Alright. Let's get the ceiling fan camera. We have the ceiling fan camera. Okay. I don't remember which one it is. It's one of these. It's a different grade. Stop. There we go, that's that one. Okay. And underestimated this one. This actually has a lot of weight attached to it. Alright, hopefully this doesn't go too fast. That's pretty powerful. There we go. Ceiling fan car. You can see it or not. I should turn that off.